Hey everybody, here's my week one introduction to the discussion boards, okay? This is kind of an icebreaker. This is a little different from all the other ones that are going to be going forward. Remember that this is a 7.5 week class. So that first week is just a couple days, Wednesday to Saturday, and the last week is going to be a shortened one as well. It's going to be Friday to Monday. So this one's going to be a little different. It's just getting introduced to what the discussion boards are all about, and also getting introduced to me. And so what I'm hoping you're going to do is you're going to post and you're going to say a little bit about yourself. You're going to tell us, who you are, where you're from, what you're studying, and what you hope to do once you graduate. And please say something else as well, about kind of what hobbies you have, or do you like the outdoors, or do you like to read, or what's your favorite movie, things like that. Just things that kind of get us to better understand who you are as a person. I'd really like to get to know you all as much as possible. So this is going to be a little bit of a different discussion board from what's going to start in week two. I'll have more to say about that here, in coming weeks. There is going to be a rubric, and there are going to be requirements in terms of how many times you need to post in a given week. Just to let you know, starting in week two, it's going to be, you're going to have at least one initial post, a post that starts a thread each week. And on top of that, you're going to have at least 3 replies to 3 different people each week as well. So it's going to be a total of 4 minimum posts. That's starting in week 2, though. This week, you're just kind of getting introduced. You're commenting about yourself. Maybe you're saying hello to some of your classmates, something like that. So that's kind of what's in store for us. Now, if I'm asking all of you to do a little bit of an introduction, I figure I should do the same thing. So you all already know my name is Steve Pelton. I've been teaching with Bryant Stratton College since, 2011. I did that primarily for a long time on the campuses in Western New York. I'm from Rochester, New York. I live outside of Rochester, and I taught on the Rochester campuses for a long time. Then I started to teach there and online and kind of split the time there. And in September of 2018, I actually came on full-time as a full-time instructor with the online campus. So I've been there since then, and it's been great. It's been really good. I've gotten to know a lot of people and gotten to know a lot of my students really, really well. So I've really enjoyed that. What do I do outside of teaching? I love the outdoors a lot. So if I'm not teaching and I'm not here in front of a computer, there's a good chance I'm out hiking or fishing or hunting or climbing up a mountain somewhere. We don't have any mountains here in Western New York, but we like to go out west and visit family and climb there. Basically anything that can keep me away from screens when I don't have to be in front of one. That's the kind of thing I like to do. Mountain biking and exercise and all sorts of stuff. So that's a little bit about me. I live in upstate New York. My wife and I have 2 kids, 12 and 9, almost 10. Actually, after this term ends, he'll be turning 10 soon after. And so our kids keep us very busy as well. And I'm sure there are going to be very many parents in our class who can say the same thing. So that's a little bit about me. Now it's your turn. Say something about who you are, what you're majoring in, what you hope to do once you graduate, a little bit about kind of what makes unique, what makes you unique. Thanks, folks.